Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Vicki, and I have a problem at my house, and there's a tool here at Steph's house that's gonna solve it, and it's this right here. This is the RYOBI Power Sweeper. Now this is our whole collection of RYOBI Expand-Its. Now you can see that we have gotten a lot of tools over the years, and we bought this one specifically because of this problem that I have at my house. In my driveway, I get a lot of dirt in there after it rains, and once that water evaporates, that dirt just stays and it's stuck, and there's no amount of blowing that will get rid of it. So this thing I use so I can break up that dirt and then I can blow it away. So let's head to my house and I'll show you how it works. Let's go. And don't forget the battery. Now we keep our batteries inside because it's temperature controlled and they last a lot longer. So let's go. Okay, we're back at my house and I'm going to show you what I mean about this dirt that gets really stuck. So I'm going to use my blower. I'm going to blow it and you can see that it doesn't budge. So let's get that RYOBI brush hooked up and I'll show you the magic. Once that's done, it's all loose, so I'm going to show you how it's loosened it up, and now I can use the blower and blow it all away. The sweeper will also sweep up the small rocks like Steph has in her yard. And that's it! And that's all cleaned up, and there are a few other places in my yard that are just like that, so I'll go take the brush sweeper and sweep them up and blow it all away. So now I'll get all that pollen and all the leaves and all that dirt all cleaned up. Thanks for joining us. And if you want to see more projects from us, please visit motherdaughterprojects.com and please like and subscribe. And we will see you in the next one. Happy spring!